Oh, okay, go ahead. Oh, well, what's your...
Don't touch the pad.
Go for it.
Actually, my question was, like, I haven't seen this myself, but I've heard that the jerk has become, like, your signature dance. Wait, I'm not gonna make it, but I was gonna ask, like, is there any other dance moves you rock at that you want to show us? Because
I honestly have no dance moves whatsoever. I don't even know how to do the jerk properly. If anybody, do you have a dance move that you want to teach me right now?
I can't answer the jerk.
You don't have any dance moves in your full mind repertoire. So much pressure on you! Do you know how to do the fork in the garbage disposal? Come here. Those of you who have not seen the fork in the garbage disposal, it's amazing. The YouTube video. Alright. No, this is really simple. Now you guys make the sound effect because I'm not going to be able to hold the microphone. Ready? Go. Wait. Who knows how to do it better?
Oh, sorry.